Hello to all dedicated teachers and creative parents. I hope you're doing great and full of energy to create joyful and unique learning experiences. In the past few days, we've talked about tools you can use to design engaging games and class quizzes. But today, it's time for a more important step: PowerPoint settings that will make your games run more accurately, attractively, and professionally. After you have entered the general game settings, define the rewards, added the students, registered the games in the Games section. In the final step, click the PowerPoint button to open the related form. Number: this field is filled in automatically. When you enter the PowerPoint form, you have two choices: public and private for each student. I will explain each separately below. If you select public, it means that in PowerPoint, when you click the add-in related to the game, two slides will be created. Students: in this slide, the names of all students you entered in the student form will be displayed either in a spinner or a box format. If you choose the spinner in the Students section, you must have defined at least 5 students. Otherwise, choose the box option. In my example, I have defined 8 students. For this PowerPoint, I will select the box option for student selection. Games: in the second slide, all the games you have selected will be displayed. If you have defined more than 5 games in the Games form, you can choose the spinner option. Otherwise, you can choose the box option. For games, I will choose the spinner option. You can do it differently, it's up to you. Then, select the range of games you want to display. Example: I have defined 9 games here and I want all 9 to be displayed, so I select from 1 to 9. In the comment section, you just need to enter a short note. This note, if entered, will only appear on the first slide. For example, I will simply write, "Click Start." After entering the information, click Save. When you select public, only one row will be created in the table and you cannot define more information. By selecting this row, you can make the necessary changes, then click Edit to apply them. To delete the information, you can click Clear, or select the row and click Delete. The Reset button returns the form to its original state. Once all the settings are done, we move to PowerPoint. In my case, I have the Match and Flash card games. Open edumatchmagic.pptm. Click match.ppam. As you can see, there are no slides in the PowerPoint yet. From the Add-in tab, click on Match. Wait for the slides to be generated. Once they are created, you will see 2 slides. The first shows the list of students. If you don't want to select a student, just press Next. The second shows all the games. In the comment section, you will see the note we entered earlier. Click on the spinner button, then click Start on the selected game. Wait a few seconds for the game to be generated. After it is created, click Next to go to the game. When the game ends, if enough points are earned, you will enter the rewards page. This is a matching game that was explained earlier. In this game, we have used 2 related images to teach the states of matter. These images are not necessarily identical. However, it is also possible to use 2 similar images, 2 texts, or a combination of a text and an image. If you found this game helpful and feel like it could make your classes more engaging, we'd really appreciate a little like. If you're looking for more educational games to use in your teaching, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you think your fellow teachers could benefit from tools like this, share this channel with them. Let's make learning more exciting together. Selecting this option means you assign a specific game to each student. This option is useful when you are sure a student needs to understand a topic more deeply. In the next option, you choose whether the students' names will be displayed in the first slide using a spinner or a box. If you choose the spinner, you must have defined more than 5 students and assigned a specific game for each student. Important notes when using the box option for selecting students or games. For the box option, you must have 2 images, one for before clicking and one for after clicking. The open and closed images must be the same object in different states. For example, open box and closed box, whole egg and cracked egg, open hand and closed fist. Both the open and closed images must be placed in the following path, img_pic. The open image must be named pixunlock.png. The closed image must be named pixlock.png. Both images must be in .png format. In my example, I will use the spinner. At the bottom, select the student's name and the game you want to assign to them. In the comment section, just enter a short note. This will only appear on the first slide. For example, click Start. After entering the information, click Save. For any row, you can edit the details by selecting it and clicking Edit. You can also click Clear to remove the data. Or select a row and click Delete. The Reset button will restore the form to its default state. Once all the settings are done, we move to PowerPoint. As before, there will be no slides at first. From the Add-in tab, click on Match and wait for the slide to be generated. This time, you will see a single slide showing the list of students. Click the spinner button, then click Start. When the spinner stops, click the selected name to generate the game. In the comment section, you will see the note we wrote earlier. Remember, the games are generated at runtime, so the student won't see any game in advance. Wait a few seconds for the game to load, then click Next to go to the game slide. After finishing the game, if enough points are earned, the rewards page will be shown. If you're interested in collaborating or have any questions, feel free to contact me via email. So if you're looking for creative, engaging, and budget-friendly teaching ideas, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new videos.